Hello everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. आज ਆਪਾਂ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ the ultimate quick and high protein comfort food Dhaba-Style Paneer Bhurji. Whether you need a quick breakfast, a heavy lunch or a midnight snack, ਇਹ recipe ਕਦੇ fail ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ. So where did Bhurji even come from? The word Bhurji literally translates to scrambled. While the technique of making paneer actually has roots back to Persian and Afghan travelers, throwing it into a pan and scrambling it with a spicy desi tadka, this is pure Indian genius. Here's a fun fact for you. Paneer Bhurji became famous at highway dhabas across Punjab. It was created as a lightning, fast, nutrient-packed meal to keep truck drivers energized for long overnight journeys. Asli fast food ta A hai. Now people always ask, why make it at home when you can easily order it from a restaurant? क्योंकि घर दे खाने दी गल ही कुछ और है. When you make it yourself, you control the butter, the spice level and the freshness. And today, we are leveling up. We are not using that hard rubbery store-bought stuff. We are using freshly made homemade paneer right out of the kitchen. Look at this texture. It's soft, it's crumbly and it's going to absorb all our spices perfectly. स्वाद दुगना हो जाना है. Alright, let's make it now. Pan in, heat on medium. Add a splash of ghee and a good cube of butter क्योंकि butter बिना की स्वाद आना. Once it melts, crackle some jeera. Now throw in finely chopped onions. Saute them until they get that beautiful golden brown color. Next up, the holy trinity, fresh ginger, garlic and green chilies. And saute them for about 1 or 2 minutes. थोड़ा तीखा तो बनता है. Now add the chopped tomatoes and let them cook down until the oil separates from all the sides. And now it's the time for the masalas. A pinch of haldi for that bright yellow color, some Kashmiri lal mirch for an aesthetic red pop, coriander powder and salt to taste. In goes our superstar, the freshly crumbled homemade paneer. Mix it gently. You don't want to mash it into a paste. Keep those nice chunky bites. Cook it for just 2 or 3 minutes. If you overcook fresh paneer, it gets chewy and we want it melting in your mouth. Right at the end, sprinkle a dash of kasturi methi and a pinch of garam masala, flaky sea salt and a handful of fresh coriander and we are done. Oh wow, the creaminess of that homemade paneer with the spicy crunch of the onions is unmatched. You have to try this recipe. If you want the full breakdown on how I make the super soft paneer at home, let me know in the comments below and I'll drop a dedicated video for that. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and share this with someone who owes you a treat. Until next time, keep cooking and stay happy.